Alright, so I got a package in the mail, and it's my little microwave that I ordered from Etsy, and I'm gonna open it, set it free. Alright, so this is what the microwave looks like. The door opens. And comes with an extra piece. I think this is for the inside. I'm not sure. Let's see. Little bit, the top is a little bit sticky. I'm not sure what kind of material this is. Either it's maybe it's plastic, or maybe maybe this is made out of resin. I'm not sure, but I think this goes on the inside. Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in the space for the kitchen. So so I'm gonna put it here. And now my kitchen has a microwave oven. Alright, that's all I'm gonna review for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.